And there's nothing more helpful when working on a car than having a flashlight with you. However, a hand flashlight ties up your hand, so now you're only left with one, which limits the amount of things that you can do when fixing a vehicle. So when Adelphi reached out and offered to send a couple of their Strip Lamp Pro headlamps LED lights, I said, yeah, sure, I'll try them out. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Alex from the YouTube channel AutoFun, where I review cool car gadgets that make your life easier. And on this video, I'm gonna be showing you the key features of the Adelphi Strip Lamp Pro LED headlamp. And the first thing you'll notice is that the headlamp is completely rubberized, which makes it feel rugged, and it's actually rated as 2-meter impact resistance. How much is 2 meter? It's about 6 feet that I can drop this and it's still gonna be okay. And there's 2 ways to operate the headlamp. If I press the power button, I get full blast at 350 lumens and it will last about 2.5 hours. If I press that button one more time, now we got 150 lumens and now the battery can last all the way up to 5 hours. And if I press that button one more time, now we get this cool side lamp which is rated at 150 lumens and rated to last 4 hours. Or if I press that one more time, now it's rated at 60 lumens, but now it's gonna last up to 8 hours. But probably the coolest feature of the headlamp is activating the hands-free mode. Most of the time when you're working on a car, your hands are pretty full with oil, so the last thing you want to do is smear that oil on your flashlight, so you can just wave your hand and it turned it off. Wave your hand one more time and we turned it back on again. And if you wanted to wear your Adelphi headlamp outdoors, you definitely can. It has an IPX4 rating, so that means it's splash resistant. So if you get a little bit of water on here, it's not gonna hurt the flashlight. What's also neat about the rubberized construction is that the entire headlamp, even though it's rugged, it feels soft, it feels somewhat squishy, which makes it very comfortable to wear over long periods of time. And the recharge time is 2.5 hours, assuming that you have fully depleted the battery. Now, because this thing can last up to 8 hours, I really don't expect to see many users fully deplete the battery before recharging it again, so your recharge time actually may be shorter. And to recharge the Adelphi headlamp, they have equipped it with a USB-C type port on the back, which has a nice little dust cover to keep that port nice and clean. They have also included a USB-C type cord to charge it. And the Adelphi headlamp also features a simple LED that turns red when the battery is being recharged, and it turns green once the battery is fully charged. The red LED also comes on when the headlamp is being operated manually, and it stays on as we cycle through the different modes. And finally, the LED turns multicolor when the hands-free mode is turned on, and when the hands-free mode is turned off, it returns to red color. But I also want to show you that the headband is quite large when it's fully extended. Here's what it will look like if it's only extended about halfway, and here's what it will look like if it was extended to its minimum length, which is really tight, will probably be for a very small head. So overall, I really like the Adelphi headlamp. I think it's gonna come in handy not just for any kind of car mechanic, but also for anybody who's either hiking, jogging, or maybe you're stranded on the side of the road waiting to change a flat tire and you wanna be seen. So remember, I put a link in the description down below to the Adelphi headlamp if you guys wanna check it out further or acquire one for yourself, along with a discount coupon to save you guys a little bit of money when ordering one of these lamps. And if you have any other questions regarding the Adelphi headlamp, please put that in the comments down below and stay tuned, as I have a lot more cool videos coming up with cool car gadgets for you. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.